Welcome back to my channel. This is Coin Code. I'm DMO. If you have been following Binance on their social handles, and if you are on their official Telegram channel of 433,000 members, you will notice that Binance is partnering with FC Porto. And on this video, I'm going to show you how you can get this token before being listed on Binance for trading. And in addition, I'm going to show you how you can make up to 10x your money on the very day of Binance listing for trading. But before I proceed, please use 2 seconds of your time to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative and educative content like this. So now let's move. On the 5th of November, we got an update from Binance on their Telegram community that FC Porto Fan Token will be on Binance Launchpad, which will last till November 16. Then it will go straight to the innovation section for trading. Understand? So if you are not on their Telegram community, I urge you to do that now and also join our community to engage with more people for more updates. You understand? Now with this little information you have got, let me show you how you can get this coin and partake on their IDO. And remember that I'll be showing you how you can get 10x of your money on the initial day for trading. You understand? Now take a look on this Lazio Fan Token. Currently now it's worth 10 USDT, which is $10, you understand? And now FC Porto have been placed on the Binance featured teams, you understand? Please make sure you don't skip any part of this video because every minute carries an important information you won't afford to miss. Now, as you can see on the Binance Launchpad, we have less than 8 days for the subscription to start, you understand? And this FC Porto Fan Token will be starting with a price of 1 Porto Fan Token to $1, which is equivalent to 1 USDT, as you can see below. Now, if you look at the ad cap per user, you understand, you will see that it is 10,000 USDT, which is equivalent to 10,000 Porto. This ad cap per user is simply saying that you cannot buy more than 10,000 pieces of Porto Fan Token as at now, you understand? And it also means that crypto whales cannot control the market and you cannot spend more than $10,000 on this coin currently now on their IDO. Now, if you look closely, you will see single initial investment, which is 0.1 BNB. This single initial investment is saying that the minimum you can partake on their IDO is 0.1 BNB, which is equivalent to about $65 as at now. And what I will tell you right now is to tell you that you should always have good amount of money to partake on IDOs and ICO to get good amount of profit. But for the case of FC Porto Fan Token, this minimum invest is not bad. And currently now 0.1 BNB is worth about $65. And if you follow the trick I will show you on this video. And this FC Porto Fan Token do 10x on the first day of trading, you'll be making up to $650 easily with this initial capital, you understand? And when you look above the single initial investment, you will notice that the token offer is 4 million pieces of Porto, you understand? Now moving to the subscription timeline, you will see the BNB holding circulation period, which has started from on the 6th of November, about 3 days ago, you understand? It says to partake, your daily average BNB holding across various accounts will be tallied, you understand? And for you to also partake on this, your account need to be verified. So make sure you verify your Binance account with that video at the top right corner if you have not verified your Binance account. Now also note that only BNB in your spot wallet can be used during the subscription period. Minimum amount is 0.1 BNB. The maximum amount is your available BNB balance. Now you understand? Now moving down to this section that says get your BNB ready to participate, which subscription period is on the 16th of November around 7 AM UTC, you understand? That is like 7 days from now, you understand? Then after 3 hours of subscribing, the calculation period starts on that same 16th around 10 AM UTC, you understand? Then the final token distribution starts that same 16th of November around 11 AM UTC, which is equivalent to 12 PM GMT +1. Then after the distribution, there will be a timer for it to go to the innovation section for trading, you understand? And Binance said before being traded, they will release your coin and your committed BNB to your spot wallet for you to trade, which means after the distribution you are going to get your Porto token on your spot wallet for trading, you understand? Now you need to know that the FC Porto Fan Token is built on the Binance Smart Chain network and it's going to explode in no time. So watch the market and take advantage of it. Now let me show you how you'll be making this 10x when you have successfully participated on their IDO. You understand? But before I proceed, shout out to Alex Odibo, New Status, Richmond Wealth and Solar Lipsing. Thank you very much for your support. I really appreciate it. Please note that I do a random shout out for all my subscribers, so make sure you have subscribed to get mentioned on my next video. Meanwhile, turn on notifications so that you don't miss out anytime I drop an update. So now let's move. I want to let you know that Binance just announced that they will be listing Moon River, you understand? And you know what that means. And when you check coin market cap for Moon River, you will see the exchanges that support them. So go buy this coin before being listed on Binance, you understand? Now let me show you how you can make 10x your money on the initial day of trading. But before then, take a look on this preparation button. It means that the subscription period have not started, but you need to be at alert and you need to be actively active, you understand? The moment 16th reaches, this button will turn green, then you can subscribe for this token. You understand? You can also read more about FC Porto and their fan token, which link is on the video description below. Meanwhile, you can use the comment section for your compliments and your questions, as you will get reply instantly. Remember, when you participate on this FC Porto Fan Token and you subscribe, then it has been distributed to your spot wallet. There will be a countdown for it to go to the innovation section for trading. You understand? That is where you'll be making and taking advantage of this project to make 10x your money. Just as this countdown is now, if the trading will start on the 20th of November around 7 AM UTC, then you need to be at alert. You need to be actively active and be ready to sell your already minted FC Porto Fan Token at a high rate. The reason is that most people didn't participate on their IDO and they'll be using this same trick to make over 10x their initial capital. Now, the moment Binance lists it on the trading section, they will be buying at the bottom, let me say $1, because it will be listed $1 for trading. Then because of buy pressure, the price will shoot to like 5 to 10x at that instant. Then they will sell off and make profits. But you that participated on the IDO and already have this coin before being traded on the market section, instead of you buying, you'll be selling your already minted coins, you understand, and make up to 5x to 10x your money at the instant, you understand. The way you are going to do it is that the moment Binance listed like around 7 AM UTC, you need to be at alert like 1 hour to that 7 AM UTC, like 6 AM UTC, so that the moment Binance listed on the trading section, you only just to watch the market as it's going up, and you even know that you have made 5 to 10x. Don't be greedy, please. The moment you made 5 to 10x, you just sell off, then you close the market. There must always be a correction for the price. Now let me tell you something. Don't ever buy a newly launched coin when it has gone up. Yeah, you understand? Now the reason why newly launched coins always skyrocket at the beginning is because of the buy pressure. Then after that moment, the price must reset because everybody will be selling off and it will go back to the actual price or even less than the actual price, then start crawling upward again. Although before the distribution and trading, I'll be dropping more updates, so make sure you turn on notifications so that you don't miss out when I drop another update. As this will be it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.